lion who learned to listen. Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, there lived a lion named Leo. Leo was strong, fast, and a little bit bossy. But Leo had one big problem. He never listened. He thought he was always right. Let's see what happens. One sunny morning, Leo woke up and stretched his big paws.
I am Leo, the strongest lion in the jungle. Everyone should listen to me. Today is a perfect day for an adventure. He stomped his paw and said, "We're going to the far side of the jungle. Follow me."
Elephant steps forward with a calm demeanor.
Sometimes, Leo, listening can be just as important as being strong.
Monkey swings down from a vine, looking curious.
Wow, Leo, you're so strong. But do you listen to the others too? I heard there's a big river that way. Maybe we should take a different path?
Nonsense, Monkey. I know the jungle better than anyone. Come on.
The animals followed Leo, but as they walked, the path became narrow. The trees grew taller, and the air became thick. Soon, they heard a strange sound.
Leo, that sounds like a storm. Maybe we should head back? Storm? No way. I don't need to listen. I'm the king, remember? Let's keep going.
But the clouds grew darker, and suddenly, boom! Thunder crashed. The wind howled, and the rain poured down like buckets of water. The animals huddled together, scared. Monkey tried to climb a tree, but it was too slippery. Elephant stomped his feet, but the ground turned to mud. Leo, what do we do now? Leo looked around. He didn't know. His beautiful mane was soaked, and his paws were stuck in the mud. Maybe, just maybe, he should have listened. Just then, Wise Owl flew down from a tree. He was the smartest animal in the jungle.
Don't worry, friends. Stay close to me. Follow my advice, and we'll be safe.
The animals followed Owl through the jungle. The rain was still heavy, and the thunder was loud. But Owl led them carefully, and Leo listened closely. Before long, the storm passed, and they arrived safely at the edge of the jungle. The sun came out, and everything sparkled again.
Thank you, Owl. I've learned that being a good leader means listening to others.
We're so glad you listened, Leo.
Together, we are safe and happy.
Remember, dear friends, listening helps us all grow.
And so, Leo learned the importance of listening, and together they all lived happily in their wonderful jungle.